Okay, are AC and BE congruent? Well, let's take A to C right here. And what are the endpoints? There's -7 and 0. And the rule is you take the two endpoints and you subtract them and take their absolute value. So -7 minus 0 is -7. So the absolute value of -7 is 7. Okay, so A to C is equal to 7. Continuing on, we can say, what about B to E? Okay, B is at -2, E is at 6. And what do? We take the endpoints, -2 and 6, and we subtract them and take the absolute value of the result. That means the absolute value of -8, which is 8. So BE equals 8. No, they have different lengths. That's my way of explaining. That's if they're not congruent, it's because they have different lengths between them. Oh, they have different, sorry, lengths. That's it.